Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be going over the Samsung Odyssey monitor and its settings. So if we press the bottom button here, there is a settings panel. So we can actually control where we're going just by moving it across. So if we go left, we go to source, we go to right, we go iSaver mode, we go in the middle, we go to return. If we go to the bottom, which is this way, that is power off. Then we push forward, which is more that way with this bottom bit, and that goes to our menu. We press in and that goes to our full menu settings. So as we can see, some of this stuff is blacked out, but that is because we're on a particular picture mode. So normally I go straight to picture mode, and then if I press in, then we actually go into all these settings. And here, as you can see, the colors are changing. So we can go custom. Normally it's set to original at first, but because I'm using this for gaming, I put this to game standard, but you can still change this around to how you like it. As you can see, eco is a bit brighter, and then you can go to entertain. And as you can see, this will actually tell you what each option does as well. And you can even go into the manual and find out for yourself what each thing does. So if you just press down or press this way, you will pretty much get out of that menu. And then from here, if you want to get back to this main menu here, all you have to do is just press left on the bottom button, and we'll press in to go back in. So we'll go boom, up, and then back to our menu. All right, so I turned FreeSync off, and now all of these options are now available to you. So if you want to turn FreeSync back on, then all of these darked out and grayed areas will be available to you. And through here, like I said before, you can actually see what each option does on the right of the panel, and it will tell you exactly what it is. So response time, it says accelerate the panel response rate to make the video appear more vivid and natural. And then it says motion blur reduction. So if you turn FreeSync technology on, it is a solution that eliminates screen tearing without all the usual lag and latencies. Yeah, so normally I have the FreeSync on, but it's up to your discretion how you want to use that. I would go and do your research in different menus and different settings with the Samsung Odyssey monitor, and you can see how you fully use it. And then you've also got all these other options right here. So yeah, this is a pretty basic tutorial on how you can navigate this menu and use it. Everyone's got different color settings, and then also with HDR there are other settings as well. So if we were to go to system, I believe if we go to HDR tone mapping, we'll make that active. That actually makes HDR turn on. HDR is pretty much always on, and then like I said before, you've got all your different game modes. So you got your different picture modes. So I'll put mine on game standard normally. And then you can see your different levels and HDR as well. And then here we've actually got our system settings as well. So PC AV is an example of something that's interesting. So you could do sort of a dual screen thing, which is quite cool. And then you've also got your power LEDs. So you could say, okay, I want these LEDs on or off, as there's LEDs in the back. You got your volume settings as well. So if you want to make your speakers louder or quieter, you can use this option as well. And then you've also got your software. So for example, in support, you got your software update. So you can connect via USB to maybe a computer and then download the software and then update it through here as well. And you can also register your products and all sorts as well. And you've also got your reset all options too. I normally just press out of it by pressing that way. And that's all the navigation and system settings in a Samsung Odyssey monitor. So hopefully this video really helps you and guides you through it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see more.